everybody, Paul here. Today I want to talk to you about warning signs of a bad alternator on your car, so stay tuned. Your alternator is a key piece of equipment on your car which puts power back into the battery while driving. Your engine system, climate system, entertainment system, and a host of other things are all dependent on the alternator operating properly. For the alternator to effectively charge a 12-volt car battery, the alternator needs to be putting out 13 to 14 DC volts. Ideally between 13.8 to 14.2 DC volts. The easiest way to test this is to use a digital multimeter. Attach the two probes from the digital multimeter to the positive and negative battery terminals and turn the selector switch to DC voltage. Next, start the engine and leave it at an idle. If all electrical connections and battery cables are good and the voltage output is less than 13 volts, then this is a warning sign that the alternator needs to be replaced. Early warning signs of the alternator not putting out enough voltage are: you might notice headlights beginning to dim, dashboard lights beginning to dim, power windows operating more slowly, power seats operating more slowly. You might also have a dashboard warning light similar to this one turn on, which looks like a battery, or it might say Alt for alternator or Gen for generator. You might also have a burning rubber smell due to the drive belt slipping on the alternator pulley, causing poor voltage output. This can be due to wear or incorrect tension on the drive belt, which can be fixed by replacing or restoring proper tension to the drive belt. You can also have an alternator that puts out enough voltage but shows warning signs of mechanical failure. There are many parts that spin inside the alternator. If the bearings or bushings become worn or break, it could cause a grinding or whining noise similar to this. The bearings on this particular alternator have become so worn that when it runs long enough, it smells like an electrical fire due to the alternator becoming so hot that you can't even touch it. It even starts smoking. This car can no longer be driven until the alternator is replaced. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.